new cat treat. See if she likes it. Tuna and scallop. She already knows. Want this? She don't like it. No? You don't like that one? She don't like the scallops. Let's see if they like it. Okay, Sheila likes it. Ruthie likes it. Okay, so you guys want this one? These are like a good price. She's like, I want to eat it, but I don't like scallops. Yeah, scallops taste a little weird. Oh no, you got some on your ear, Sheila. Okay, find a different one. She probably like the chicken and salmon. Or chicken. She would definitely not like the crab, but let's see if she does. Chicken, beef. You know what, I'm gonna try to see if she likes the crab. If she doesn't, the other cats will eat it. Sardine, she won't like the beef. Tuna, crab. Nope. They like it. That's the thing I hate about these. They get messy if you have multiple cats. Look at her. She's covered in cat food. Oh, they're so pretty. Pretty gray cats. Try this one. This is your last one. Let's see. Okay, you don't like this brand. Well, the other cats like it. I just feel bad because she loves... I have the other brand that I like. I forgot the name of it. But it's just like strictly tuna and she loves it. Ruthie said, more for me. I'll just buy these for you guys. Because it's very cheap. I think it's pretty affordable. As many as you get for $9. She's very picky. She doesn't eat meat, any type of red meat. She only eats like chicken and tuna. And she likes, like, what else does she like? She likes fruits. She likes prunes. She loves prunes. She's weird. I call her my vegan cat. She likes eggplant. Sorry, buddy.